Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will solve page 73 question number D. So this is the problem from the fraction chapter. So we need to add the fraction. So question number D, number 1. D1 says 2 whole 3 by 10 plus 4 whole 4 by 10. At first, we need to convert this mixed into improper. So 10 to the 20 plus 3, 23 plus 10 4 ja 40 plus 4, 44. Now, when we will see that both denominators are same, that means these fractions are called like fraction. They are called like fraction. Then our job just add to the numerator. So 23 plus 44. So if we add 23 and 44, then what will happen? It will be 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 3, 6. 67 by 10. Now, if I want to convert 67 by 10 into mixed number, we will get 6 10 just 60, remainder is 7. So 6 whole 7 by 10 will be the final answer of D1. Now, question number D2. D2 says 3 whole 1 by 12 plus 5 whole 10 by 12. So what is our first job? Our first job is to convert mixed into improper. 12 3 is 36 plus 1 37 plus 12 5 is 60 plus 10 17. Now we can see that these two fractions are like fraction because both denominators are 12. That means same denominator. So we will just add the numerator. So 37 plus 70 we need to add. So 37 plus 70 it will be 107 divided by 12. Now our job is to convert this improper into mixed. So if we can write 12 8 96. Then what will be the remainder? 11. Then our final answer will be 8 whole 11 by 12. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says 6 whole 5 by 9 plus 6 whole 2 by 9. Look. 9 6 54 plus 5 59. That means we are converting mixed into improper. And 9 6 54 plus 2 56. Look here both fractions are like fraction because both denominators are same. Then we will just add the numerator. So if we add 59 plus 56, then what will happen? 6 plus 9 15. So we have 115 by 9. Now convert. So if we want to divide 115 by 9, then we will get 9 1 9. What is the remainder? 2, 5, 9 2 18. Then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 7. So 12 whole 7 by 9 will be the final answer of this problem. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says 10 whole 2 by 7 plus 1 whole 3 by 7. So what is your first job? Our first job is to convert mixed into improper. So 7 10 is 70 plus 2 72 plus 7 on the 7 plus 3 10. Now both denominator are same. So we should add the numerator 72 plus 10, that will be 82. So 82 by 7. Now we need to divide. So if we divide 82 by 7, what will happen? 7 on the 7, remainder is 1. We have to bring down 2 here. So 7 on the 7, remainder is 5. So our final answer will be 11 whole 5 by 7. I hope you understand up to question number 4 properly. We can solve this problem in a shortcut method. You know that if we look at this, we can see that 2 plus 4, that is 6. 3 plus 4, that is 7. 3 plus 5, that is 8. 1 plus 10, that will be 11. 6 plus 6, 12. 5 plus 2, 7. Simple. 10 plus 1, 11. And 2 plus 3, 5. So 11 whole 5 by 7. So we can solve it in that way. This is the shortcut method, but most of the questions cannot be solved in that way. So I want to tell my students to avoid this shortcut method. You need to solve in a long method that is appropriate for you. Now, D5. D5 says 12 whole 3 by 5 plus 9 whole 1 by 5. Look, At first, our job is to convert mixed into improper. So 5, 12 just 60 plus 3, 63 plus 5, 9 just 45 plus 1, 46. Look, here both fractions are like fraction because denominators are same. So our job just add to the numerator. So 63 plus 46, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 4, 10. So 109 by 5. Now 109 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Then we have to bring down 9 here. 5 1s are 5, remainder 4. So our final answer will be 21 whole 4 by 5. And that is the solution of this problem. And our last problem, number 6, that is 15 whole 5 by 8 plus 6 whole 1 by 8. Then our first job to convert mixed into improper. 8 15 ja 120 plus 5 125 plus 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49. Now both denominators are same because they are like fraction. So we need to just add the numerator 125 plus 49. So 9 plus 5 14 have 1. 5 plus 2 7 174 by 8. 174 and 8 both are even numbers. So we need to divide both numerator and denominator by 2 at first. So what will happen? 2 8 is 16. We have 1 as the remainder. 14. 2 7 is 14. And 2 4 is 8. Now 87 by 4. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. Then we have to bring down 7. 4 1s are 4. Remainder is 3. So my answer will be 21 whole 3 by 4. And that is the final solution of this problem. I hope you understand these problems properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.